Is the cheapest room at Okada worth it? Let's find out. Alright, so walking in, this is the cheapest room that Okada offers, which is Deluxe King, or the Deluxe King. When you first walk in, there's this little walk-in type closet, hangers, scale, mini bar. This is over here. They give you coffee and tea, a thing to heat up water, boil water, plenty of water. You can also request more. Now here's the bed. We got two cute kids here. This is CJ, and that's Krisa. You're looking beautiful, Krisa. And this is the room. So this is the Deluxe King. They also have a Deluxe Twin, which has 2 beds, but we elected to have the Deluxe King so that kids can be on the bed with mommy and daddy sleeps on the floor. I don't know what that door leads to. Probably if you get 2 rooms, it connects. TV. CJ. Everything's controlled by this little tablet. So lights, TV, a little jacuzzi. And we have 2 sinks, his and hers. And this time around we got the fountain view room. So starting at 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. I believe on Monday to Fridays you get a little fountain show. Jacuzzi. They only have jacuzzis on the Pearl Wing side, so if you want a jacuzzi, book it on the Pearl Wing. And I believe the room is roughly 60 square meters. So that's what they say on their website. The cheapest room without any discounts costs around 13,000 pesos after all said and done with taxes and stuff. But yeah, to me, I think the cheapest room at Okada is worth it.